Whoa.
These are the smallest gachapon. They are so small, they all fit in my gachapon machine. We have a lot to get through today, so let's get going.
Come on. Oh, there we go. Aha. Like a little spinning top. That's so funny with the tail being up like that. Oh my god, that's pretty cute. Look at those crazy eyeballs. Kinda, sorta. These were all the different ones that you could have got. Next. Whoa. Okay, what's this? Ah, okay. This is part of a set. Sailor Moon set. So cute. I think we might find a few more of these today. Ooh. Oh yeah. Check that out. Let's go from Evangelion. Wow, how cool is that? Does it open? Looks like it opens. Oh, it's like a little VHS tape. Does it come out? Tweezers here. See if I can get this out. Does it come out? Maybe it's not meant to come out. I don't want to wreck it. Doesn't come out. Now, I do recall seeing this one, and look how many frickin' tapes there are. Oh, if trying to get train gacha doesn't drive you crazy, I think that this would have driven you absolutely bonkers trying to get all of these. Look how many there are. So, out of all of these, which one would you have liked to have gotten? I guess it depends on which one's your favourite character, you know? Next! Whoa! Okie dokie, what's this one? Oh, there we go. Guess who it is? Serena, when she changes... Well, look, no. What happened? Okay, there's like so many bloody episodes of this show. So this is when she is the queen, right? What a nice little figure. I like the hair like that. That's pretty cute. Go again. Whoop. Ready? Oh, this little one. Oh, they're just like little kitty cats sitting on rice cookers. Cute. So this is one of the ones that sits on a pot. So it must be this one. Okay, so that's like the little cooker. And then there's your little kitty that just sits on here. Oh, that's pretty adorable. Next one. Oh. Oh no. Alright. What if I put another coin in? Aha, okay. Oh, this one's a little bit open already. There we go. Hey! Got another little Sailor Moon. So which lass is this? That's her. Okay, there's Pluto. I'm pretty sure it's Pluto. Am I right? Let's see who else we get out of this set. Let's hope it works. Okay. Whoa! Ah, we got a double. We got a double. So maybe we can put this back, and maybe one day I could do a giveaway. Let's see who else we can get. Whoop. There we go. So this is just like a funny little toy thing. If you press the belly, this face spins around. And it came in orange and blue and pink, but I kind of like the white one. All right, we're still going. We're still going. Oh, we got another moon. Another moonie. We got another Artemis. So yeah, maybe I will have to do a giveaway. Tell me in the comments, do you want a little giveaway? Maybe I can figure something out and we can have a little giveaway, hey? Oh, we got stuck again, my friends. Once again, we are stuck. There we go. All right. What's this one? Oh, look at my nail. I'm really gonna have to bloody do something about that. There we go. Oh, sweet. Sweet. Yeah, look. It's a little one of these. Little Casio thing. I feel like I grew up knowing about these things, but I never actually had one myself. Oh, cute. All these buttons are so tiny. They don't actually press. So small, so tiny. That's cute though. Look at the little characters. Cute. Few more to go. Oh, what the heck have I done to myself there? Ah, that was from when I was like scraping my hand on this thing trying to get things in there. Oops, daisies. Ah, look who we got. It's like tuxedo mask. So we've got the queen and the king. How cool. He's got nice little details. So the little gold button on there, that's really cute. And I like his little mask. Next. Come on. Here we go. Ooh, this is really different. A little flashlight. What's that? Iero? Yellow. Wow, that's how they do yellow in katakana. Purple. 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 Which is that one? Does it work? It works. I'll turn off the light and see. How bright is it? Whoa. That's pretty bright. Meow, 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 meow. Yeah, I like that. Fun. All right, we're almost at the end. Ba-ba! Oh, it's another little cat thing. And then your little kitty. But that's so cool. How cute is that? Okay, here we go. Whoa. So, we probably know already. This is going to be a Sailor Moon related one. Woo. Aha. Ooh. Look how cute she is. Paint job that's been done on these is really cute. The tiny little earring and then teeny little necklace. Okay, she can join the gang. Who am I missing? You can probably tell. Who am I missing? I'm missing this one. Let's see, what is the last one? It's a funny one. I think you might find this really humorous. Go on. Don't leave us in suspense. Popped right out of there. That's it. This is the last gacha. It's a photograph of, I don't even know what kind of animal that is. Is that a hamster? That's the last gacha. Can you believe it? Oh my god, how funny. Okay, these are all the ones that we got. See this bloke? Just like, he can just like break dance over there somewhere. Okay, he doesn't stand. He's just gonna have to stand here with his woman. Nope. Can't even do that. Can't even manage that. So look, he's just gonna lie down. I wonder what the cat thinks. Should I go get the cat? What do you think? What do you think of him? What do you reckon? Look at these. No, she's just zero care given. Tune in next time. We will open some more gacha. These are all the teeny tiny little ones. I've got some more really fun, crazy ones coming up. So tune on in and you might see a bit more cat butt.